The universe is everything, from the tiniest particles to the largest galaxies to the very existence of space, time, and life. But how did it all begin?
Ah yes, the Big Bang Theory, the more widely adopted idea on how the universe came to be. George Lemaitre's theory. It's crazy to think that a flaming hot ball of gas the size of a grape blew into a humongous expanse of light, dark, stars, and other heavenly bodies. That until now it continues to expand and creates matter, which we have not discovered. It gets the mind thinking that we are just a tiny dot in the large expanse of the universe. When you put it into perspective, everything we see, touch, and feel originated from that singularity. But then again, it's just a theory. We can have the benefit of the doubt, although it is a very plausible theory people can have their thoughts about. It's exciting that scientists were able to explain how it began and the different parts of how it began. For example, like the radiation era, that came right after the explosion or the start of the universe, the Big Bang. And then came the matter era, which we are in today, where all sorts of elements on the periodic table were made or were created during that time.
The book of Genesis. It's the first book of the Bible, and its storyline divides into two main parts. There's chapters 1 through 11, which tell the story of God and the whole world. And then there's chapters 12 through 50, which zoom in and tell the story of God and just one man, Abraham, and then his family. And these two parts are connected by a hinge story at the beginning of chapter 12. And this design, it gives us a clue to how to understand the message of the book as a whole and how it introduces the story of the whole Bible.
The Genesis creation theory. I'm a Roman Catholic and I've watched biblical movies on how we came into being. For this theory, I don't really believe it since I'm more on the science version, although the idea about it is cool. Has sparked many ideas on God and religion with varying versions all across the world. In this theory, basically there was a God known as the Creator that decided to create the universe as we know it. Created the night and day, the sea, the land, plants, animals, and finally us, humans. And on the seventh day, he rested. What could be the reasons and why he created us? Maybe he just wanted to share in what he had. He was an almighty being. What could be other reasons? Maybe could be he was lonely, but that wouldn't be right. Because he was a supreme being, an all-powerful God. Why would he create us for any other reasons? We may never know. We can only speculate.